Sometimes we scroll past stories like this without even realizing that this was somebody's child, somebody's sister, somebody's whole world. Behind every headline is a family trying to survive unbearable pain. Today, we tell the story of Anele Mzila.
Sifonelwe sikufike amaphoyisa ekhaya ngomhla ka 5 May ezoreporta ukuthi athole isidumbu sika Anele ngaphansi kombhede kwesoka lakhe eNtuzuma kaN kaMashu. Abazali uma wahamba wayom identifier.
On the 2nd of May 2026, a young woman named Anelisiwe Mzila was found dead after reportedly visiting her boyfriend. She was only 23 years old.
Situation yakhe ayengekho right, wangazathi besethanda ukonakala plus nomzimba wasubhucukile ngabonakali nasekhanda inwele nani yebo.
What began as a normal visit would end in tragedy.
So kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi amaphoyisa amthole endlini yakhe? They got a tip off from who?
Uma ngabe sizwa kuthiwa umsolwa kanye nomunye umakhelwane wakhe bahamba baya epolice station bayo reporta ukuthi bafice isidumbu somuntu sentombi yakhe ngaphansi kombhede wakhe.
Ungafisa ukuthi abantu besilisa bayireceive kanjani le message?
We've been seeing a lot on social media abantu besilisa saying it's not only women and children mhlambe aba important in this issue nabo they balimala, but we are not shying away from that. Asisho ukuthi abantu besilisa they do not get hurt in the arms of women, and asisho ukuthi ukulimala kwabantu besifazane nokwengane ku better than abantu besilisa. But what we're saying is besicela nje as a country to shine the light ukuthi honestly this is happening day by day.
To her family, Anele was more than just a headline. She was a daughter, a sister, a mother. Now, her loved ones are left carrying unimaginable pain.
Uma check amaphoyisa discover ukuthi lesi sidumbu sihlabene sesinensuku engake ngokwamaphoyisa ngoba sesithola sesendlini.
Abazange baze ba disclose kodwa ugcine ukukhuluma noma ngomhla ka 29 ngoThursday so bekade ne hope yokuthi mhlambe ngenze ukuthi ufelwe iphone because vele usunenkinga yama phone nani but uma uqala ukukhathazeka I think it was Saturday ngawumhla ka 2 ukuthi akamthole iphone nani kwabe ukuthi I know uzofona kanti sesothola indaba ngo Tuesday. As a family we suspect that maybe there was a chemical ayisetshenzisiwe because it doesn't make sense ukuthi umuntu ogcine ucommunicate on the 29th and then ngomhla ka 5 usekwi shit situation yokuthi akasa recognize. It doesn't make sense.
The accused has been granted a 3,000 rands bail and will be returning to court on the 17th of August 2026. Stories like Anele's story have become painfully familiar across South Africa. Another young woman lost, another family destroyed, another community asking when the violence will end.
Umuzi okhanyayo ingeke ngakuba lokuhle lapha mina ngazi izulu umuzi okhanyayo ingeke ngakuba akukabonakali yodlulale yandawo inje ulele yandawo inkosi khona le